Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Just quick video, my latest discovery. I'm just saying that first of all, I reached 2400 on Lichess, which is the best result so far. I had like 2420. It's about IM strengths. Well, there are of course IMs which have 3000. I'm not talking about these guys, but I've seen some title players who has this ranking. So good for me. I've just started studying a little bit of chess, and I'm progressing. I think I'm doing okay. Just a quick video for those who play Stafford with black, and I think it's a good opening. I recently beat IM very easily. He played for like 20 moves more, but he was down a queen. So when we play against, I don't like playing against Stafford. I don't like playing against this Petroff defense, because somehow I get outplayed all the time. Today I won a couple of games, but today was very good day for me in chess. I played. I was very not lucky, but just I was doing very good against strong players, and I played something like takes d6 here, queen e2. It's a ridiculous move, but just we swoop the queens, and then I outplay them in the ending without any advantage whatsoever. But what I discovered recently is that, and I lost a game, of course, with black. This move bishop to c4. I mean, I thought it's a blunder when I played with black, because this pawn somehow hanging, and we want to play d5. So what are the other moves? Like knight to c6 is transposition to knight's defense, which is a good move. You can play d3, you can play knight to g5, which is your favorite move, to play Traxler or whatever. But it's a good choice, I think. It's better than to play against this Petroff defense. So this is a reasonable move, but the most obvious is to take. And here, just I didn't know that, but you can play knight to c3 and see that engineers gives black some advantage here, but when you're playing on the internet, it's I think it's an advantage for white. So going back is well, I think white has decent position. It's an opening, and it's some kind of Rui Lopez. I think d5 is the move. I'm not sure that. I think that white is doing okay. It's not have an open game, yeah. So, but I think black can take, and this position is it gives black advantage, but it's like Stafford with extra tempo, I think. And the only move which gives black advantage is f6. You can imagine that if you never saw this, it's impossible to play it move like this. And I know what it really does, but it's the only move actually. And when the second best move, the next best move for white is knight to h4, threatening queen check, and basically knight to g6 will it's winning. So black has to play g6. It's the only move again. So I don't know. I still take white in this position, but the game of black is horrible. So let's play the normal g6, and it's winning with knight to g5. Just taking this pawn, and that's it. So and I don't know what else. H6, knight takes e5 is also totally winning. So it's a good position. It's a good positional move. Knight to c3 against Petroff. So just don't remember not to take, not to capture when you see this pawn hanging. Yeah, but to play tricky move, bishop to c4, and let's see what black does here. So if they don't take, it's an equal. They can play something else. They have this d5 move. Yeah. Well, I think it's like something like this is. So again, white is winning. So e4, yeah, it's possible. Okay, that's hard to find, but again, the game becomes very tactical, and it's what you expect. It's not like dull d4, d5 pawns and playing for some just very small advantage. All right, thank you very much, and see you next time.